In this practical example we will draw up the plan of a commercial room of 40 square meters, with a small deposit and a bathroom. We start by creating a new file with the default AutoCAD file. First, with the line command, we trace the outer contour of the walls of the commercial room. Dimensions are 4 by 10. Now, with the command of parallel copies, we set the wall thickness of 15 cm, c. Still with this command, we set the walls for the division of the deposit, which will be 3 meters, and the bathroom that will be 1 by 1.5, c. Completed the layout of the walls, we clean the surplus lines with the command trim. We reactivate the line command and set the opening of the commercial room. Now, with the arc stroke command, we finish the settings of the door openings. Next, we will apply the floor finish of the commercial room. To do this, we activate the Hashura command, define the areas that will receive the finish and choose the type of flooring that will be used. We confirm the insertion of the hashura representing the floor. We finalize our project by sizing it properly. Follow up. And so we conclude this example, where we quickly created the plan of a 40 square meter commercial room.